I want to do a little video here on some of the successes I've had with these air prune beds. I had some extra lumber laying around from the chicken coop. Got rid of the chickens, so I put together 4 of these air prune boxes. And I ordered seeds. This was last winter. Put them in the freezer, stratified them, not in the freezer, I'm sorry, in the refrigerator, and then planted them. I think it was about March or April inside in my basement. Brought them out, and I mean, it's such a cheap and fun way to raise trees. I bought my seeds through the tree seed man, guy out of Wisconsin, and give you an example. He has, you name it, for trees. He's got the seed, but he'll offer like 3 pear and 3 plum. So in one of these boxes, and what I do is I order like a 90 pack. So you get, 30, plums of 3 varieties and 30 pears. So, 180 trees in one of these little air prune boxes. And, they grow all summer long. And come fall, that's the best time to plant bare root trees. They pull up super easy. I brought up my pears and plums last week up north and just planted them all over the property. These here are hackberry trees. There's 3 different varieties, excellent for wildlife. The squirrels, the one thing you gotta, have a screen cage over the top of your cages, especially if you're doing walnuts, hazelnuts. I mean, acorns. You have the oak family. Squirrels will get them in a second. And they jumped in, damaged some of these when they were young, but still, they kicked butt. But I'm going to show you, I also got I got some bunch of oaks too in there. Got burl oak, sawtooth oak, swamp oak. There's a few chestnuts. I've already planted about 100 apple trees. That was fun. I was just saving apple seeds, all last fall. Stratified them in the fridge, planted them, and I got them all over the property. But that's my little setup, and I've raised hundreds of trees this year. And give you an idea. So, I mentioned like those seed packs. So I could get, let's say we go to like the pears. I can get 90 pear seeds, 3 varieties for $11. So, I mean, dirt cheap. And they germinate very well. It's just, you gotta protect from squirrels and, mice, anything like that. But it's excellent project to do over the wintertime. Seeds are pretty much like, a lot of the trees are available anytime. If you want chestnuts, get them now. Last year at about, January, it's like, hey, let's get some chestnuts. They were long gone by November. So, but yeah, that's my little setup. And in the back, you can see that used to be our chicken coop. Now I converted that to kind of like the nursery, the, Big Woods Nursery. So I have lots of different grape varieties. I have lots of currant, blueberries, and I'll be taking cuttings from there, multiplying everything and then bringing that up north. But got another garden back there. So good times. Hey, leave a comment. Got any questions? Should probably leave the Tree Seedman's link down below. But great guy and great seeds.